Hey everyone, Glenn Coe, Realtor with Dan Plowman Team Realty. Are you looking for that perfect balance of tranquility, luxury, and scenery? Well, look at this home, 5 Sumac Road in Blackstock. Let's go check it out. And more breathtaking views from the front of the house where you can enjoy your morning coffee. As we enter this majestic home, one thing is abundantly clear. We are adorned by this beautiful engineered hardwood, cherry wood doors, vaulted ceilings, and this awe-inspiring 18 skylight display, which includes remote window openings and blind operation. Welcome to the spacious living room with vaulted ceilings, this two-way fireplace, and this awe-inspiring view of the backyard. Welcome to the bright, spacious kitchen, which includes quartz countertops, induction stove, red oak cabinetry, this big, spacious chef's table overlooking the breakfast area, and walk out to your wraparound deck. Another great thing about 5 Sumac Road in Blackstock is the wraparound deck and the amazing views you get overlooking it. But also, I'm in awe of the professional landscape down below. And who doesn't love an oversized primary bedroom with large windows bringing natural light and leading into your primary ensuite, which is a showstopper. Who doesn't love nature views with your primary bath and a large walk-in closet? Another amazing feature of this beautiful home is the lower level and the attention to detail. Check out the large dining room area, this custom built bar, large kitchen, 2 additional living areas, an additional bedroom, and full bath. And no matter what time of day, you can either bask in the sun, enjoy the heat, or stay cool in the shade. Wow, look at this backyard. 6.17 acres, gets you tall trees, groomed trails, flourishing gardens, and enough space to host your entire neighborhood. check out this garage. It can actually be another workshop or anything your heart desires. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this amazing home, 5 Sumac Road in Blackstock. Again, it's Glenn Cove, Realtor with Dan Plowman Team Realty. If you have any questions, call the number above. If you don't want to miss out on any other opportunities on our team, click on that subscribe button. Thank you.